Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Redmi Note 14S. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code sent anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow in first pop-up. Then allow all in the second one. Now click on whatever you want to in all the other ones. And when you're ready, hit send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to send at the bottom of Redmi. Also on an Android, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to choose allow a few more times and then select your files. Either way, when you're ready, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Got it, in here's some tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above user guide. Close an ad, allow camera access in the pop-up, and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit input key section. Type in all of those numbers before they expire and then hit receive button to connect. Wherever you decided, just wait. Close an ad. And as you can see after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!